Hello guys, welcome on Cycle detailed overview video in Samsung Dryer AI DV. So the first cycle is mixed load. The recommended items mixed load consisting of cotton and synthetic fabrics. The load size maximum, so 8 kg. Dry level available. The delicates for silk, fine fabrics and lingerie. The maximum load size is about 2 kg, dry level unavailable. Cycle iron dry. The cycle finishes the drying process in a moist state, which vitalizes ironing. The load size is maximum, dry level unavailable. The wool for machine washable and tumble dryable wool only. The load size maximum 1 kg. The towels used to dry loads such as bath towels, the maximum load size 4 kg. The bedding for bulk items such as blankets, sheets, comforters and light duvets, maximum load size 2 kg. The odor for oral wear such as ski wear and mountain cleaning clothing, and also for fabrics such as spandex, stretch and microfiber, the maximum load size 2 kg. The cotton for lighty cottons, bed linen, table linen, underwear, towels and shirts, the maximum load size maximum. Synthetics, maximum load size 4 kg. Hygiene care, maximum load 2 kg. Quick dry, it's for 1 kg of capacity. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment and goodbye.